Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm gonna make everyone's favorite paneer dish. Let's see how to make Paneer Butter Masala. Here I've taken 200 grams of paneer. Let's marinate it with some chili powder, crushed garlic, crushed ginger and a pinch of salt. Give it a mix and keep it aside. Once it is well marinated for 5 to 10 minutes, heat some oil in a pan and fry all the paneer pieces. Fry it for just 2 to 3 minutes or the paneer pieces will turn really hard. Take out all the paneer pieces and into the same pan add a little bit of butter. Once the butter gets melted, add in some chopped onion, ginger and garlic and saute it until it becomes translucent. Add 1 chopped tomato and some cashew nuts. Now let's add in the dry spices, red chili powder, garam masala, some vinegar and some sugar. Cook it till the tomato becomes mushy. Now turn off the flame and allow it to cool down. Now take the entire mixture into a blender. Add some water and blend it till it becomes a very smooth paste. Now into the same pan add some more butter and add in the mashed puree. If you want, you can strain the puree and add it, then it will become really smooth gravy. Now finally, add in some Kasuri methi, some fresh cream and the fried paneer pieces. Heat up the mixture and turn off the flame. Our delicious Paneer Butter Masala is ready. It's so tasty, so delicious, so rich in the gravy. You can serve it with naan, chapati, roti or even plain rice. Tastes really great. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.